In my website, I'm using for HTTPS. But my Bing Webmaster already we can convert into HTTP in previous one. Is it now converted into where? HTTP? Yes. So coming to your Bing Webmaster, my site already verified. But the option is called HTTP will be my verification. So my site will be HTTP, yes. HTTP, yes. So how will be converting? So a lot of people are major issues because they remove the old one, add the new one. Is it not required? Is it not required? Just open your site. Is it verify your page or not? First of all, you have to check your site will be verified or not. We can check. Coming to scroll down, the option is called verify ownership. Is it verified? After that, they go to option is called users. Which one? Users. What my site will be here? HTTP. I can move to HTTPS. Go for administration. Same email. I'm not changing any email. I'm using same email. Select it. Okay. Now I'm clicking for add. Now I'm clicking for add. Previous what is showing for HTTPS or HTTP? HTTP. Add it. Now what is showing for HTTP? Yes. Remove the HTTP one. Go to my sites. Scroll down. What is showing right now? HTTP. Yes. Is HTTP2 we can transfer which one? HTTP. Yes. I'll show one more time procedure. Select it. First you check the ownership. After that, go to your user. You can writing for HTTPS. Same email. You can give the administration. Click for add. After remove the HTTP here. Is clear? And immediate we can do one task is very important. That is update your sitemap. Which one? Update your sitemap. So copy this URL. Select it. Old one. Delete. Add here. Click for submit. What's showing for old one is I'm uploading for HTTP. And what I'm showing for HTTP. Yes. Is it clear? I will show you pending. They will approve by within a 1 hour time. So this all will be updating for search engine option. XML sitemap always updating. Any URL will be changed. Any content will be updated. This is a major important. This will submit by every week. This will be crawl your content easily. They will be building your site building option. There will be support will be like this. This is called website builder. This is all total depending on your particular XML sitemap updates. See this. Is it clear? This is a very, very important for particular website. So any website, select your site, XML sitemap. Copy, select, delete. Always URL structure will be HTTPS using for www dot. This is a perfect structure. Now click for submit. The pending will be finished within a 1 hour time. Is it clear? So this is called you update by HTTP to HTTPS. I have submit by the XML site.